The overall goal of this procedure is to measure the heart rates of mouse embryos in utero at E18.5 using a simple M-mode ultrasound. This is accomplished by first securely placing the pregnant female on the platform with continuous anesthesia. Second, the location of the embryos is identified along the epidermis of the female's abdomen. The third step is to measure the heart rate of each embryo using a 30 MHz transducer. Then, the embryos' tails are collected for genotyping. Ultimately, results can show how the heart rate of each embryo is determined in utero by measuring the time taken in milliseconds per cardiac cycle.
The main advantage of this technique over the existing method, like video microscopy, is that it's a simple method designed for both specialists and non-specialists, and it provides highly accurate heart rate measurements.
Proper preparation of the system and material is critical. An overly long procedure can affect the physiologic and hemodynamic characteristics of the fetuses. Start the ultrasound imaging system. Connect the scan head that corresponds to the 30 MHz transducer and connect the physiology controller unit. On the controller unit, choose the cardiac measurement program. Next, fill the nose piece of the scan head with deionized water. Avoid air bubbles as they interfere with imaging resolution. Place the scan head with the handle side up on its holder near the imaging platform. On the disinfected working area, completely fill the bottle of ultrasound gel. Avoid forming large bubbles. Place the bottle upside down in its pre-warming container set to 37 degrees Celsius. Verify the level.